Hello, friends. We all feel gratitude for whatever we are today. Life is a very tough journey because it involves a lot of challenges. But there are a lot of people who convert challenges into opportunities. And there are other set of people who keep whining about that challenges are too hard and I'm not able to face the challenge. But why is it so that we are not able to face the challenge? It is because of the mentality. It is because of the mindset what we have. Why can't we see every challenge as an opportunity? Behind every challenge, there is an opportunity, and for every opportunity, we need to have goals. We need to set goals for ourselves. There are so many things which we just start, and sometimes over a period of time it gets derailed. Why? Because we are not persistent about it. We don't follow it up. There are so many people who have been so persistent about so many things and they have achieved great results. For example, if you see actor Amitabh Bachchan, he was bankrupt, but then he kept persistent efforts to move forward, and you see now where is he today. Same time in sports as well, if you see Neeraj Sharma, who is a gold medalist, he kept persistently achieving so many rewards and awards over a period of time. But now ultimately he won the gold medal for India. So that is a consistent and persistent effort from his side. So what is stopping us to be persistent to move towards our goals? We need to have a very strong goal which will pull us towards it. And we need to take small steps to go towards and achieving it. We need to be strong enough. We need to be mentally strong to ensure that we don't get apart or don't derail ourselves because of the challenges because of the challenges which come in between. It is so important that we do a consistent effort and put ourselves in such a situation that we stay ourselves strong and motivated to go and achieve whatever we are supposed to do. Be consistent, be mentally strong, be mentally tough to face any situation, because life is going to give you challenges. But if you accept challenges as an opportunity, it will be more rewarding. Ultimately, pain is going to be there. It is up to us whether we face it or we accept it as a opportunity to move forward. God will always support us provided we support ourselves. So I am working out to transform people mentally so that they can achieve their goals and be more assertive and aggressive in their career. I have also faced so many problems which I have overcome. And why I am talking about persistent today is I was persistent and I continued my journey to achieve where I am today. So please ping me if you feel that you might require some support from me. I am available on Facebook and YouTube as well. You can watch my videos, share a like if you like this video, and let me know if I am of any support to you. Thank you.